Hey everyone, today we're going to explore how to turn off double opt-ins on AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. First, log into your AWeber account to access the dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on the Lists option to view all your email lists. Once you're in the Lists section, find and click on the specific list you want to modify. This will take you to the List Settings page. Here, look for the option labeled Confirmation Message. Scroll down slightly, and you'll come across the setting for Send Confirmation for AWeber Sign-up Forms. To disable double opt-ins, simply toggle this option off. And that's it. You're all set. I hope this video helps you navigate the process smoothly. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.